Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn all about a small and amazing fruit, elderberries. Elderberries grow in clusters on tall bushes, and they're usually a deep purple color. These little berries are packed with goodness and have been used for hundreds of years. Elderberries aren't just tiny and cute, they're also really good for you. Elderberries have lots of vitamin C, which helps you stay healthy. They also have antioxidants, which help keep you from getting sick. And elderberries have fiber, which helps your tummy feel good. Eating elderberries can help your immune system, keep you strong, and help your digestion. You can enjoy elderberries in many ways. Try elderberry syrup, which is sweet and yummy. Have elderberry jam on your toast. Drink elderberry juice, which is refreshing and tasty. Or try elderberry gummies for a fun treat. Here are some fun facts about elderberries. Did you know elderberries have been used as medicine for a long time? Never eat raw elderberries, they can make you sick. They need to be cooked first. Thanks for learning about elderberries with us. Bye-bye.